Chapter 7. Data Handling. Data refer to information collected in the form of numerical figures in a survey. We can represent data in different ways in tabular form, by drawing pictures, by drawing pie chart, etc. If we represent the given information by drawing pictures, it is called pictograph. In class 3, we have learnt about the reading, drawing and interpretation of simple pictures and pictographs. Here we shall learn about bar graphs, pie charts and their interpretation, representation and reading of data pictorially. Look at the following examples. Example 1. The number of pupils in different classes, standard 6th to 10th, is as under: class 6, 50, class 7, 70, class 8, 80, class 9, 60, class 10, 90. We can represent the above information in the form of a pictograph. Solution. From the above data, we find that all the given numbers are multiples of 10. So we use one symbol to represent 10 students. Thus we have the pictograph as under. One symbol represents 10 students. Example 2. The following pictograph shows the books used in a class of a school. Each symbol of book represents 50 books. Now answer the following questions. How many English books are there? How many Hindi books are there? Find the total number of books. Find the difference between the number of mathematics and science books. Solution. English books is equal to 6 into 50 is equal to 300. Hindi books is equal to 5 into 50 is equal to 250. Total number of books is equal to English books is equal to 6 into 50 is equal to 300. Hindi books is equal to 5 into 50 is equal to 250. Science books is equal to 4 into 50 is equal to 200. Maths books is equal to 5 into 50 is equal to 250. GK books is equal to 3 into 50 is equal to 150. The total is 1150. Difference is equal to 250 minus 200 is equal to 50 books. Bar graph. The pictograph is a conventional method of representing a given data pictorially, but with changing times, this method becomes less popular as it is time-consuming and requires a lot of skill in drawing clear pictures. So, easier methods of representing data pictorially have been devised. One such method is drawing a bar graph. Example 1. Draw a bar graph to show the given data. Solution. The two ways of drawing a bar graph to represent the number of bulbs sold by a shop in the first 5 months of the year are shown below. From the above bar graph, we observe that every graph must have a title. Information is represented along the two axes, horizontal and vertical. Each axis must have labels to explain as to what information is being represented. Bars are drawn to represent the desired number. In the bar graph, the names of the months are given along the horizontal line. The vertical line is a number line showing the number of bulbs sold. Remember, bars should be of uniform width and the gap between the bars should also be uniform throughout. Example 2. Look at the chart showing number of pieces of colored ribbons which were sold by a shopkeeper in a month. A. What is the color of minimum number of sold pieces? B. Which piece of ribbon is sold the most? C. What is the number of pieces sold in red color? D. Which ribbons are sold more than 15 pieces but less than 30 pieces? E. Which ribbon has sold 25 pieces? Solution. A. Green. B. Blue. C. 35. D. Yellow and brown. E. Yellow. Pie chart. We can also represent data by dividing a circle into wedges. Such representation of data is called a pie graph or circle graph. We use the pie chart when we want to show the whole data as fractional parts. We can say that we can compare the proportions of the individual items with reference to the total. The pie chart in the figure shows the different kinds of trees in an orchard. The circle is divided into 5 parts. Each part is known as the sector. Looking at the size of the sectors, you can interpret the information depicted by the circle graph. The biggest sector is for the mango trees. It shows that the number of mango trees is the most in the orchard. The second biggest sector is for lychee trees, the third for apple trees, and fourth for guava trees, and the smallest sector for papaya trees.